Good morning, all of you. Today we will see the word processor mail merge. Now, what is the use of mail merge? Where it is available? Mail merge is a feature of the Microsoft Word. Mail merge is the feature of one of the feature of Microsoft Word. So now we will see what is the use of the mail merge. How can we develop the mail merge? Okay. So now first is introduction. Suppose you want to give a party to your friend and relatives. You have typed the invitation letter. Now you have to type all the addresses of your friends and relatives. Typing all the names and addresses and then making the documents and saving them in a difficult job. This work can be done very easily in Microsoft Word using the mail merge feature. With the help of this feature, you can send the same letter to a number of people. Okay, so here one example is given. If you want to give party to your friends and relatives, what you will do, you will type the invitation letter and you now type the number of all the addresses and name of all friends and relatives. Okay, so हर एक के लिए हमें लेटर्स टाइप करना भेजना इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब. ओके, बट इट कैन बी done very easy by the Microsoft Word using the mail merge. Okay, so now we will see how can mail merge use this difficult task easy for you. Okay, so now first advantages of mail merge we see. It saves your time and efforts. Okay, if you want to send same type of invitation, same type of mail to hundreds of people, to 50 people or to 20 people, so no need to type same letter for 20 types. Okay, just type a letter one time and forward it to all participants. Okay, so in this way it saves your time and effort. Once the merge has been set up, thousands of letter can be produced very quickly. ठीक है, after setting the merge up, you can send the same letter to the thousands of people. When you make any changes in one letter, they will be applied in every letter. If any updation you got in that particular invitation in the letter, you want to make changes in that, so you just change in one letter and that change will be reflected to another letters. Letters can be sent to people who meet specific criteria. Specific criteria meet होने के बाद ही वो letters number of peoples को forward होते हैं. Now components of mail merge. The mail merge process requires the following two things are there: main document and data source. Main document and data source. Main document means a document that contains letter or text which is to be sent is called the main document. Okay, जो document आपको forward करना है, जो letter है या फिर जो text है, whatever you want to forward is your main document. Data source means what? The files where all the addresses of the recipients are stored is called the data source. Okay, डेटा सोर्स मीन्स जहाँ पे सारे रिसिपिएंट्स के एड्रेसेस स्टोर्ड है उसे कहा जाता है डेटा सोर्स. तो मेन डॉक्यूमेंट कंटेन्स द लेटर और टेक्स्ट, डेटा सोर्स कंटेन्स द एड्रेसेस ऑफ द रिसिपिएंट्स. ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंबाइनिंग द मेन डॉक्यूमेंट विद द डेटा सोर्स इज कॉल्ड मर्जिंग. ठीक है, जो प्रोसेस रहती है to combining the main document and data source is called as the merging, and the final document which you got after merging the main document and data source is called the merged document. Okay, जो final document आपको मिलता है after merging the main document and data source, merging मतलब combining, merging means combining, so उस document को final document को कहा जाता है merged documents. In general, main merge process involves the following three steps: creating main document, creating data source, merging main document and data source. So these three steps you have to remember, which is very important in mail merge. So first is creating main document, second is creating data source, and third is merging main document and data source. Now we will see the steps to be followed during the mail merge. So first step is when you open the Microsoft Word. Okay, on the toolbar you are having the mailing menu. Okay, just click on the mailing tab. Just click on the mailing tabs. When you click on the mailing tabs, it will show you all the menus which is available in the mailing tab. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप mailing tab पे click करेंगे, it will show you the all the menus. Just click on the start mail merge. Click on the start mail merge. अब जैसे ही आप start mail merge पे click करोगे, it will show the drop down menu list. It will show you the drop down list. From that you have to select the letters. Okay, again I am repeating. Click on the mailing tab. After clicking on the mailing tab, it will open the menus available in the mailings. Click on the start mail merge. After clicking on that, select from the drop down list letters. Okay, then step 3 is type the letter. स्टेप 3 इज टाइप दी लेटर. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, लेटर टाइप करना है. एंड स्टेप 4 क्लिक द सिलेक्ट रिसिपिएंट्स टाइप. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको लेटर टाइप करना है, मीन्स मेन डॉक्यूमेंट आपको क्रिएट करना है. देन क्लिक ऑन दी स्टेप 4 सिलेक्ट रिसिपिएंट्स. क्लिक ऑन दी सिलेक्ट recipients. When you click on the select recipients, if your list is exist already, अगर आपकी लिस्ट पहले से ही बनी होंगी तो आपको क्या लिखना है, यूज़ एन एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट. अगर आपकी लिस्ट पहले से ही बनी है तो आपको यूज़ एन एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट पे क्लिक करना है. अदरवाइज क्लिक ऑन द टाइप अ न्यू लिस्ट. ओके, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द टाइप अ न्यू लिस्ट. When you click on the type new list, it will open the new address list dialog box. It will open the new address box dialog box. This type of dialog box will open for adding the new addresses. So here you will insert a title like Mr., Mrs., Miss, Master, then first name, last name, company and address. These all things you have to fill. This all information you have to fill, means you will fill the information. देन क्लिक ऑन द न्यू एंट्री. जैसे आपकी फर्स्ट एंट्री हो जाएंगी, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द न्यू एंट्री. इट विल अलाउ यू टू एंटर द सेकेंड एंट्री. देन स्टेप 7 इज क्लिक ऑन ओके. सो हियर योर एड्रेस लिस्ट विल बी रेडी. देन स्टेप 8 गिव फाइल नेम. After clicking on the OK button, it will open the Save Address List dialog box. जैसे ही आप OK पे क्लिक करेंगे, it will open the Save Address List dialog box. It will open the Save Address List dialog box. So here you will write the name of the list. Here like written guest list 2. Guest list 2. ओके, आपके फाइल आपने क्या बनाई है, गेस्ट की लिस्ट बनाई है. सो हियर रिटन नेम गेस्ट लिस्ट 2. देन क्लिक ऑन द सेव. सो यू हैव टू गिव द फाइल, यू हैव टू क्रिएट द लिस्ट, देन यू हैव टू गिव द फाइल नेम एंड देन you click on the save. After clicking on the save, your next step is place the cursor. Okay, you just place the cursor. Okay, when you place the cursor, click the insert merge fill. जहाँ पे आपको merge fill insert करने हैं वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, cursor को लेके जाना है. Just you have to place the cursor. Now step 10 and 10 is insert merge fields. मेलिंग टैब में ही ये सारे ऑप्शन है. इंसर्ट मर्ज फील्ड. सी फर्स्ट ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर हिडन. सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर हिडन. जैसे ही आपने टाइप न्यू लिस्ट बनाई, जैसे आपने एड्रेस लिस्ट बनाई, वैसे ही ये सारे अनहाइड हो गए. सो फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दी insert merged field. You have to click on the insert merged fields and from there you have to click on the address line 1. okay, आपको जो भी fields select करनी है, just select that fields. then click to highlight the merged fields. आपको क्या करना है, merged fields को highlight करना है, तो just click on this. step 11 is click finish and merge. सारे merge fields ऐड करने के बाद you have to click on the finish and merge. You have to click on the finish and merge. And next one is edit individual document. Okay, edit individual document. If you are having thousands of recipients in your address book, so it will create the thousands of letter. Edit individual document में क्या होता है? It will create the thousands of letter for each and every individual. So click on the edit individual documents. Now next, when you click on the edit individual record, it will open the merge to new document. It will open the merge to new document dialog box. It will open the merge to new document dialog box. Just click on the all, क्योंकि आपको all recipients को forward करना है. Just select on the all, click on the OK. So in this way you can create the merge letters. Okay. Then next is, if you want to print merged letters, so how can we print it? Again there are some steps. Step 1, clicking on the mailing tab. Okay, for the mail merge you have to click on the mailing tab only. Click on the mailing tab, click on the finish and merge option from the finish group. Then select the print document. See what I did. Click on the mailing tab. It will open this menus. Click on the finish and merge menu. When you click on this, you will get this drop down list. Click on the new select print document. See printer का icon यहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको. You will get the print document icon here. Just click on the print document. Okay. And when you click on the print document, again it will open the merge to printer option. Just again click on the OK, or click on the all, select all, then click on the OK. Okay, so it will take the printout of all the merged letters. So here chapter 2 is over. Word processor and mail merge. If you are having any query, you can send your query on my personal WhatsApp number. Now I am sending answer the following questions that you have to write. Answer the MCQs, match the following and answer the following questions. Now I am sending. Those are having book, they will write MCQ and match the following in their book, and those are not having book, they will write complete data, that is MCQ, match the following and answer the following questions in the notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.